My name is Toyosi Alasi, and I would like to send a love message to my beautiful wife-to-be. Her name is Bunmi Babagbali. I would just like to say that ever since we met, my life has never been the same. You've influenced my life in many ways, more than one. I like to say that I look forward to a marriage which is coming up very soon. I've always dreamt about it, and it's good to know that it's coming, it's just right around the corner. This Valentine period, I would like you to know that I love you. I can't stop loving you, obviously. I look forward to us being married, and the thought of the fact that by next year's Valentine, we're going to be husband and wife is just crazy. I just want you to know that I love you.